Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Dioyiboke, where you get to learn everything about analytics and automation. In this video, we will explore together what Power Platform means or what it entails. I got to know about Power Platform less than a year now, as May 2020. And in the space of 3 weeks, I got fascinated because when I saw the possibilities, when I saw the functionality of what these things can do, and in some of my videos, I also explained how I even won, a recognition from organization for being innovative enough, which I hold the thanks to Microsoft for providing these tools. All right, let us look into details. What does Microsoft Power Platform has to offer? Okay, know this for sure, that it is a product from Microsoft and it is made up of 4 tools for now. As a matter of fact, November 2019 was when one of the tools was introduced. So it is a lot of work in progress. And over the years, across all these applications I'm going to introduce you to, or tools, we've seen tremendous changes. And that's why I'm always excited to associate or work on anything that is Microsoft solutions, because the community are huge and the developer team are working, listening to the customers and implementing different changes every time just to make it better. All right, straight to the point now. What are the 4 tools that makes up the Power Platform? First, Power BI, which is for business analytics. I am a business intelligence developer as well, and I did that for about 2 years. What you do basically with Power BI, similar to Tableau and other visualization tools, is to analyze data and visualize data, create real-time dashboard, business KPIs. When you learn about data analytics today, now it's not just to write Python to do analysis. It is easy to use tools. Just plug and play. You go there, you use GUI. You are not writing any code. Of course, you can integrate Python, R, in case you want to extend the flexibility of what you're able to do. But, simple drag and drop gives you access to build visualization. And I'm just going to show you the desktop version of Power BI, which is what I've opened with me now. And it's as simple as getting data from different sources: Excel, Power BI data set, Power BI data flow, SQL Server. You can connect directly. If you have analysis services, test or CSV, you can scrape data from the web, whole data feed, blank query, a lot of, and many more. In case you have other data sources that you want to get data from, like you can see them here: online services, Azure, Power Platform. I'm going to do videos more on Power BI, how to use, how to build a first visualization, and even how to become a data analyst using Power BI. So please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out those videos when they drop. Back to our presentation. The next is Power Automate. This is a very powerful tool, highly underrated. It's a process automation. This tool makes it easy for you to create approval processes and automate several tasks. Take for example, here I am. I'm just going to this my Office 365. I've logged in, and I'm going to load Power Automate from it. Mind you, it was initially called Flow, and if you still check the URL, you will see flow.microsoft.com. Meanwhile, last year, 2020, Microsoft renamed it to Power Automate just to give them that powerful name. I think that was November 2029 rather, not 2020. And it is simple to create automated flows. Take for example, I just created a new flow that tweets for me anytime I post a new video on my YouTube channel. So it is as simple as that. So by the time I'm uploading this video, if you follow me on my Twitter, Dioyiboke on Twitter as well, you see it's going to post. I just posted a new video on Introduction to Power Platform, and you see the link to check it out. It automates things without me triggering it anytime I upload. And there are several other things you can create using Power Automate. We have automated flow, just like the one I did, YouTube. Instant flow is the one where you create a button that you can click on every time, and once you click on it, then it functions, it runs the flow. Schedule is when you want to maybe birthday reminders, you can schedule that, send email to people, maybe first day of the month, or maybe you are requesting for report at work. You can always use this schedule flow to remind them. For desktop and business process flow, you need licenses to do that, especially if you are using the normal personal Office 365. You won't even be able to use these tools. Power Automate is easy to learn because there are tons of templates. Take for example, the one I showed you, I just searched here for YouTube and I consume the template. Share YouTube video on Twitter, without even doing anything. I just configured it, logged in on my YouTube channel and logged into my Twitter, and that's all. So it is that really easy to do so many things by consuming template. When it comes to create, you can also use from connectors or you build from blank. I'm also working on several videos. That's why you should please subscribe to my channel that will show you how to become an automation specialist by using Power Automate. I'm really going to drill you down use cases and you're going to learn a lot from there. And the next one is Power Apps, which is to build application. You can also launch Power Apps from Microsoft Office, low code, no code. Remember, it's been estimated that in the next 5 years, there's going to be 500 million new applications. That is more than the applications that have been built in the last 40 years. Yes, you can see more reason for that because now organizations are going to be exploring a lot of digital and tech. They're going to be relying on digital and tech. And as people are embracing Office 365, people will be developing internal applications using Power Apps. You don't need to be a pro developer or even an app developer before you can use this. It is low code, no code. Through drag and drop, you'll be able to, build the functioning application in less than 30 minutes. I'm also going to give more content on this on my channel. And lastly, the Power Virtual Agent, which was introduced in November 2019, same time when Flow was renamed to Power Automate. This tool is very powerful. It's you can't use it without license, but you can test the free trial for 6 months. I've tested it and it's super intelligent. I do not have the money for now. I would have paid for license and keep using it. The process of building chatbot is not easy. From hosting to making it intelligent, it is not something one person can sit and get done in 1 or 2 hours, 3 hours. It takes a team, it takes resources and servers. But with Power Virtual Agent, you can, under 20-30 minutes, build a chatbot that is functional immediately, can integrate your website, can feed into your Facebook, any other several platforms by just drag and drop. And one interesting thing, amazing thing about this tool is that it also gives you intelligence, suggestions as to, these are the topics that people are asking that you've not trained your chatbot to be able to respond to. Give you analytics, so many things like that. Do you see why it is Power Platform? Because these tools are truly powerful. And I want to drop this before I end this video, that Power Platform is the future workplace automation tool. So it's something that the earlier you learn these things and know how to use them, the more relevant you become, and you can't run away from them. Because if you don't learn it now, and I'm assuring you, before 6 months, in less than 6 months, you'll be seeing people within your organizations who are drawing attention, who are becoming power users because they've learned how to use it. In the next video, I will introduce you directly to Power Automate. Then you get to learn more there. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out my videos.